Hi guys, my name is Umdlalo and I'm with Ingwebu Media. Today we're at Empangeni Civic Center. I'm with the director of Hlala, Ngentombi. Could you please introduce yourself to us, sir?
My name is Wellington writer, director, Hlala Ngentombi.
Could you please give us an idea of what is going on today?
Okay, today it was a Heritage Month celebration, and as a playwright, I thought, why not celebrate it with a cultural musical, just to wrap up the month. But it was not only that. I wanted to. There were some people here that wanted the show because I want to move it outside of the King region, so they came just to see the show. So it's a Zulu show of maidens, of a maiden that makes a promise to the mom and aunt that she will stay pure until she gets married. And that's how the story developed. So it included some of the things and people that I grew up with. The sort of characters that you saw, there were characters that were more almost similar from the people that I grew up with back in the 80s and the 90s. So I wanted to bring that culture. I wanted to bring all that. I didn't want to do a modern show. I wanted to do a full cultural show where culture still meant something. And of course, we want to use the show to revive storytelling and theatre in the region. And today was the first day, was a foundation of what we're trying to build. They're from various high schools. So they're 16, 17, and we're trying to groom them into something very big. And we want to take this whole production on track. That's what it's doing.
Thank you so much for your answer. What advice would you give to someone who would like to follow in your footsteps one day?
I would say do it. You know, my brother Sintande aka Magatante, always said there's a first step for everything. Like she always advised me with my pages and everything. She was like, but you get one person liking it, and then you get to 100, then you get to 1 million, then you get to 100 million. So I would just say, just do it. You know, tomorrow is not promised for anyone. So if it's your dream, I'm a journalist by profession. I'm a writer and an editor in a newspaper. So, but that doesn't, it hasn't taken my other dreams, which is storytelling. And I've been trying to put it off for such a long time until I was like, no man, I'm not gonna put it off anymore because it's what I want. So if you want to start something, today is the day. Start it. Wake up tomorrow and just do it. Yeah.
All in all, how do you feel seeing your plays become such a successful thing?
It was it's a bittersweet moment for me. The sweet part is I documented the show. It was documented by you guys, and these kids got a platform. The last show that I had there, it was packed. It was overflowing. I wish people would have came, but I was not on stage, so people were very skeptical. But I was very happy with all the overall people that were here and with the overall performance. I'm just overjoyed that for the first time they were at the proper theatre than at the drama class. That's what I feel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much for coming through and for documenting our work. We appreciate you.